Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting AI image generator that can turn your text into stunning, high-quality images in just a few easy steps. And get this, it comes with over 1 million stock photos ready for you to remix, repurpose, or completely transform. Whether you're a content creator, a digital marketer, or just someone who loves creating cool visuals for fun or social media, Gentube.app is a must-try. To create your account, click Create Now free. Then, choose your sign-up option, Google, Apple, or email, and you're all set. Gentube.app gives you access to over 1 million stunning images, and it's growing every day. Creators from all over the world are using it to remix, inspire, and bring their visual ideas to life. All right, let's start with the typing function. To get started, navigate to text box where you can type your description or concept. For example, let's type a cinematic ocean sunset. Once you write your prompt, Gentube.app will use AI to turn your words into an incredible image. It's that easy. As you can see, we now have a stunning visual representation of our prompt. It's vibrant, detailed, and looks exactly how we envisioned it based on our text. Generative gives you full creative control. Once your image is generated, Gentube gives you a few powerful options. You can easily share the image directly with your audience or on social media to showcase your creativity. If you really love what you've made, just hit the like button to instantly save it to your personal collection, so you can revisit or remix it anytime. And if you want to explore more variations, simply click Regenerate to create a brand new version of the same idea. What's even better is that Gentube.app lets you filter prompts by subject, location, style, and more. You can easily browse through recommended prompts that perfectly match your needs, helping you create exactly what you have in mind, whether it's a specific theme, mood, or aesthetic. Another fantastic feature of Gentube.app is the ability to remix stock images and make them truly your own. Simply click on the brush icon, and you'll be able to choose the element, mode, and style you want to modify in the image. Whether you're aiming for a subtle change or a complete transformation, this tool gives you total control over how your image evolves. If you want to add new elements to your image, just type the name of the element you're looking for into the search field. Gentube.app will instantly suggest relevant prompts related to your search, helping you quickly find exactly what you need. Once you're happy with your final result, simply save it, and it's ready to be used for any project you're working on. After saving, you can easily find it in your Profile tab, where all your creations are stored and ready for quick access anytime. On your profile, you'll find all the images you've created and saved, your entire visual library in one place. Or create something new. Just tap the blank field and start typing your prompt. And don't forget to turn on My Blocks. This feature lets you build and customize your image even further with creative components. One of the most powerful features of Generative is the ability to regenerate the same prompt multiple times, each time giving you a fresh, unique variation. This means you can explore different styles, compositions, and moods until you find the one that perfectly fits your vision. And it's fast. Within seconds, you'll have new images ready to review. Even better, Generative supports a wide range of styles, from pixel art and anime to watercolor, realism, and more. Whether you're creating a playful illustration, a stylized fantasy scene, or a soft painted landscape, you can edit and customize every detail. The possibilities are endless, and your creativity truly drives the result. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and start generating the visuals you've been imagining. Whether it's for fun, content creation, or your next big project, Gentube.app makes it fast, easy, and powerful. Dive in, explore, and bring your ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep creating.